Ever walk out of a meeting feeling like nobody heard a word you said? Or maybe you're at a party trying to chime in and people just talk over you, like you're invisible. It's not just awkward, it's a punch to the gut. Let's be honest, being ignored sucks. It can tank your confidence, stall your career, or make you feel small in a crowd. I used to think I was doomed to fade into the background like that guy who's nice but forgettable. But then, I cracked the code with 2 communication tricks that changed everything. Suddenly, my pitches landed deals, my bar chats sparked laughs, and yeah, even my barista started remembering my order. You don't need a silver tongue or a TED Talk vibe, just a spark in these moves. Hey everyone, welcome to ThriveBit by Andy. I'm Andy, your wingman for practical tips to level up your business, habits, and mindset, one bit at a time. Ready to own every conversation from the boardroom to the backyard BBQ? Let's roll. You know that sinking feeling when someone dismisses you? Picture this. You're in a team meeting, hyped to share a killer idea for a project. You start talking and boom, someone cuts you off like your background noise. Or you're at a bar with buddies dropping a story and they pivot to TikTok mid-sentence. I've been that guy pouring my heart into a client pitch, only to get a blank stare or a yeah, but it's not just a bad moment. It's a confidence killer. I'd replay it all night thinking, what did I do wrong? Worst part, sometimes people don't say it. They just give you that look, the one that says you're not worth their time. That quiet judgment, it's brutal. This isn't just about hurt feelings. It can derail your life. At work, being ignored might mean missing a promotion or getting stuck with grunt tasks. In friendships, it's being the last to get a text back. I used to think it was them, jerks, right? But here's the kicker. A lot of it comes down to how we communicate. I was letting people steamroll me, nodding along when they interrupted, thinking I was playing nice. Spoiler, I was playing doormat. Our words, or lack of them, signal how others can treat us. But here's the good news. I found 2 stupidly simple ways to fix this. They turned me from the guy nobody heard to the one leading the room. My boss started looping me in, friends hung on my stories, even random Lyft drivers remembered my name. You don't need to be a charisma king, just sharp. I'm breaking down these 2 moves to make you unignorable, whether it's a Slack thread or a Super Bowl party, one bit at a time. Way number 1, teach people how to treat you. Sounds bold, but, hear me out. A famous psychologist, Dr. Phil, nailed it. You teach people how to treat you. If you let someone interrupt or dismiss you, you're green lighting it. I learned this the hard way. Early in my startup days, a junior coworker would barge into my cube like, Andy, my laptop's frozen, fix it now. I'd drop everything to help. Big mistake. Next week, same deal. I was training her to disrespect my time. Here's the fix, and it's 2 steps. Step 1, hit pause. Don't react right away. If that coworker bugs you while you're slammed, don't jump. Step 2, think. How do I want to be seen? Not as a doormat, but as someone who helps on their terms. So I started saying, hey, I'm in the zone. Give me 30 minutes and I'll swing by. Polite, firm, done. Guess what? She stopped barging in. She learned to wait, even figured out some fixes herself. I wasn't rude, I just set boundaries. Another time, a buddy kept calling me big guy. I'm not a fan. Instead of snapping or ignoring it, I paused, thought, and said, yo man, big guy ain't my vibe. Stick with Andy, cool? Light, honest, no drama. He never did it again. You're not being a jerk, you're coaching respect. Pause, think, respond. It's like training a puppy, gentle but clear. Try it at work, with friends, even family. You'll see people shift, start valuing your time and feelings. It's not magic, it's you taking the wheel one bit at a time. Way number 2, don't be that guy, the one who kills the vibe. You know, the person who says something right but totally wrong for the moment. I call it the cringe trap. Once, at a Super Bowl party, everyone's hyped for the Chiefs, and I blurt, football's just guys chasing a ball, let's hit the arcade. Dead silence. I was right, football is that, but I tanked the mood. They didn't say it, but I felt that this dude's clueless stares. Here's the rule. Always put the situation over being right. Context is king. If your crew's pumped about something, don't rain on their parade. I learned this at a friend's food truck launch. I noticed their fryer was ancient and almost said, "Man, this thing's a dinosaur, you'll flop." True? Maybe. But it was their big day, wrong time. Instead, I hyped their tacos, saved my advice for a coffee chat later. They appreciated it and were still tight. Before you speak, ask, does this fit the vibe? If your team's brainstorming, don't nitpick typos in the slide deck. If your date's raving about jazz, don't say it's elevator music, even if you think so. Zip it or lean in. At a pitch meeting, I used to correct tiny stats, made me look petty, not smart. Now, I nod, add to the flow, and save critiques for email. Result? People listen when I talk. You're not swallowing your truth, you're picking your battles. This one shift cut my awkward moments by half. Try it, and you'll dodge the eye rolls, earn nods instead, one bit at a time. There you go. 2 ways to talk like a pro teach people to respect you by pausing and setting boundaries and avoid cringe moments by putting context over being right. I've used these to go from being ignored in meetings to having my ideas lead the room. That coworker, she schedules time now. Those party vibes, I'm the guy boosting them. You don't need to be a smooth talker, just intentional. Imagine nailing a client pitch because you set the tone, or chilling with friends who value your voice. That's the power of smart communication. Your homework? Next time someone interrupts, pause, think, and respond with boundaries. At a hangout, check the vibe before you speak. You'll feel the shift. If this clicked, smash that subscribe button. I'm dropping more hacks to level up your business, habits, and hustle. Got a friend who gets ignored? Share this, it's their cheat code. Comment, what's one convo you want to ace? I rate everyone. Thanks for chilling with me today. Keep stacking those wins, and I'll see you next time. Thrive on.